What's up, everyone? It's your boy Wide Body Wren. We out here at 2025 SEMA at the R1 Concept booths. Behind me, I have my 2024 Nissan Z Sport.
This is Mikey with my 350Z PANDEM V2. Getting this car to the way it is now, it took about 3 months. We collabed with PANDEM V2, collabed with Fly One Motorsports.
So I got the PANDEM wide body kit. I cut up everything. I wrapped it in vinyl frog. We got the R1 livery right here. Alpha Rex headlights. We got the Rohan or Rocket Bunny wheels that released last year at SEMA. I knew I was going with the R1 Concepts BBK. I got the 6-piston in the front, 4-piston in the back. With the colors that they offered, I kind of wanted to get something that did not offset my champagne gold wheels. So I did go with that gloss black finish. Then we got the gold lettering onto the actual logo, and then we did the gold top hat.
In the front, we have 6-piston big brake kit with the 356 rotors, gold anodized hats. I had a moment where I almost hit somebody. It stopped at just in time, so these brakes are a real deal.